Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Thank you for stopping by. So today what I want to do is I want to go ahead and show you guys some new wheels and tires that I got from my 2016 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport. Now these aren't the new wheels and tires. I do have them set aside right now. They're not ready to be installed because I'm still waiting for my lift kit. Once the lift kit gets here, I'll go ahead and show you guys which lift kit I went with. But basically the truck is going to go through a transformation here soon. But before I begin, if you guys I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe. And towards the end of the video, if this video is useful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to share. So right now, like I said, this truck is totally stock, meaning no aftermarket wheels or tires or a lift kit or anything like that. But here in the coming months, it's going to be going through a transformation. And I've already gotten a few things, actually two things, which are some wheels and tires. And the lift kit is on its way, and I'll be right back with the wheels. All right, so here are the wheels, in addition to a couple of other things that I'm going to be showing you guys. So these are the Icon Rebound in satin black. They weigh about 30 pounds, and they are 17 by 8.5 with a bolt pattern that fits the Tacoma, which are the 6 by 5.5. As I mentioned, these bolts are specific to these wheels and the Tacoma. So you want to make sure you get these bolts here that have the ET, extended travel, I believe that's what it stands for. But here is a close-up of the skew so you guys can kind of see what it looks like there, what they're called. I got these from four-wheeler parts along with the wheels also. And what I'm going to be doing before I put the wheels on the car is I'm going to go ahead and ceramic coat the wheels. I went with CarPro C-Quartz Deluxe. This is specifically made for plastic and wheels. The reason I went with this is because there are ceramic coatings that tend to kind of shine up the wheels, and I don't want that. You know, because these are satin, I wanted to kind of remain the satin look. So I didn't want to go with another brand where it could potentially leave like a little bit of a gloss behind. So next what I want to do is I want to go ahead and show you the tires that I got for the wheels. Be right back. All right, we're back here now with the tires. So these tires are size 285/70/17s, and they are the Nitto Ridge Grapplers. I got these tires from America's Tire or Discount Tire. And what I really like about these tires is, you know, I could find them in a C rated. Normally, from what I've read on the forums, a lot of people can only find these in a E rating, which means they're basically heavier. But because I'm really just going to be taking this truck on light trails, because again, it's a two-wheel drive, right? So I don't want to do anything crazy and get stuck. These tires will work out perfectly because they are somewhat aggressive, but they're rated C, so that you know, it's lighter, and also they are quieter on the highway. All right, we're back here. So just want to recap a few things. Went ahead and showed you guys the new wheels along with the tires, and the new lug bolts that are going to be going on with the wheels, and also what I'm going to be ceramic coating the wheels with. Really excited about this change or transformation in the truck upcoming here. Like I said, the lift will be coming here probably any day now. I need to connect with the company that I'm ordering it from to see if the item is at a back order status. And they're also building the springs for me. So they're setting it on a specific height so that it's good for my truck, and it'll be a comfortable ride. I still need to decide what I'm going to do with the rears, because it is going to come with new shocks, but I'm not sure if I'm going to need some blocks or a add-a-leaf in the back. All right, guys, so stay tuned. I'm going to be making another video here once I get the lift, kind of doing a preview of what it looks like inside the box before it's installed. And then I'm going to be doing a video, like a walk around video of the truck once it's gone through its transformation, so you guys can see. Well, if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. And as always, I would appreciate it if you would hit the like button, and don't forget to share, and please subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Have a great day.